In this video, I will show how to write text in circle in Microsoft Excel. So insert, then text, and select text box. Draw here. Now type your text. Now select it. Increase the size. And double click on this text box. Then shape format. Text effect. Transform and select this circle or curve. Now adjust the size. Or increase font size. Drag and drop anyway. Double click on border or click on shape format. Shape outline. Select no outline. Shape fill. Select no fill. Now click anyway. So this way you can write text in a circle in Excel. Thanks for watching.